Hi, I'm here in this most amazing property called Reef Resort in Kalpitiya in Sri Lanka, and I've got some great news.
As part of my culinary tour, we will be spending 2 nights in this beautiful property and not only tasting the local food, but we'll also be cooking my favorite and the most amazing local lagoon mud crab. Come and experience the best of Sri Lankan lagoon life while staying at Reef Resort.
Before we begin to prepare this dish, make sure we need to clean and break down the crab and keep it ready. And to prepare this delicious lagoon crab curry, all you need is these basic ingredients that go into most of the Indian and Sri Lankan dishes, such as garlic, green chili, onion, tomato, curry powder, chili powder, black pepper, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, curry leaves, turmeric, salt, lime, tamarind paste, coconut oil, and drumstick leaves if available. Now, let's begin with grinding a teaspoon of garlic, green chili, onion, tomatoes, curry powder, chili powder, pepper, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, and make it into a fine paste by adding a spoonful of coconut milk. Now, add this paste along with turmeric, salt, lime juice, and marinate the crabs for 15 minutes. Heat 3 spoonfuls of coconut oil in preferably a shallow pan, and once the oil is hot, add the remaining onions, mustard seeds, garlic, curry leaves, pepper, and red chili powder. Next step is to add the marinated crabs and mix well for 2 to 3 minutes by constantly stirring it every 1 minute, but gently. Add coconut milk and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes and finish with some drumstick leaves if available. Check for seasoning before you take it off the heat, and if you're happy with it, take the dish off the heat and finish with some lime juice. And serve it very hot with some steamed rice or bread.